Ok, les amis, vous pouvez arrêter là. Okay, so today our goal is for you guys to be able to demonstrate your understanding or your comprehension of the story using Text-Evade and PlayPosit. So yesterday, you guys did some work with PlayPosit already, or with Text-Evade, but a lot of you have not yet finished your Text-Evade from yesterday. So I'm going to give you some time to work on that. And then also there is a PlayPosit. How many of you have experience with PlayPosit? Okay, one or two people. It's a way of showing a video. And what I did was I recorded myself telling the story that we made up in class. And there's like 7 or 8 questions that you have to answer. And the grade will go right into the grade book in Schoology. And if you do badly, you can just watch it again and redo it. But part of using PlayPosit is that you need to listen and hear me saying the words. So if you don't have a headset or something that'll work with your Chromebook, you can go back there. There's back behind Chloe over where the drawings of our characters are, there's a box with headsets in it. And so just if you borrow one, please make sure you wrap it up and put it back neatly. Class, pensez. Vous aimez l'histoire de Bloc 4? Oui ou non? Plus ou moins. Plus ou moins? C'est intéressant? Plus ou moins? Pas vraiment? Oui? Ok, d'accord. Bon, on va... Did anybody have any questions about the reading, the story from Block 4? Des questions? Did you want to know anything about it? Okay, so tonight at home I want you to keep reading it and just look at the similarities of language between the two stories. Okay, d'abord, maintenant, classe, s'il vous plaît. Sortez les Chromebooks, s'il vous plaît. Vous allez à Schoology. Vous allez à Schoology, s'il vous plaît. Cherchez le dossier Classwork Assignment. C'est le dossier vert. Toi aussi, Chloé, tu participes avec. Les Classwork Assignments, c'est le dossier vert. Le couleur, comme le t-shirt de Kaden, le couleur vert. Le dossier vert, c'est le dossier pour les classwork. Okay? C'est le dossier vert, le couleur. Oui? Classwork Assignments. Vous allez à Schoology, vous allez chercher le dossier pour les Classwork Assignments, c'est le dossier vert. Et puis, vous allez faire Text-Evade if you didn't get 1,000 points yet. Le but, your goal, le but, c'est 1000 points. Okay, 1,000 points. So you need to go in and see how many points you have. You don't need to re-enter your name. You should just be able to pick it out of the drop-down menu and get to 1,000 points. If you've already gotten to 1,000 points, you don't need to do it again. You're just going to go down and you're going to go ahead and go just straight to the PlayPosit. All right, fast finishers, anyone who finishes early, you are not allowed to sit and chat. You need to go find something to read from the library. There's lots of things there. There's trashy magazines. Oh, they were out on the table. You can put those back in the box over there. You can pick a magazine to read. You can pick a kid's book. You can look through and just, if you want to get 4 or 5 books and just look through them, you can do that. But that's what you should do if you're a fast finisher. Tu vas à la bibliothèque. Okay? C'est bon? So I'm going to give you guys 15 minutes to work. 15 minutes pour travailler. Et les écouteurs, headphones, les écouteurs sont dans la boîte. Who wrote in purple on their homework? Les devoirs. Tu as écrit en violet, l'encre violet. And you highlighted in yellow. There's no name on it. Your parents signed it, but il n'y a pas de nom. So if you, okay. So that is Sarah? Yeah. Second. Oh, she's our makeup Question, problème? Ça va? C'est bon? Pas de problème?